Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is once again moved up and rejected by this resistance of the bearish pennant, and now it is moving down. And in today's video, we will analyze whether Bitcoin will be able to break out this resistance of the bearish pennant or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to recall this very big bullish harmonic reversal Cypher pattern, and I also want to discuss with you this big breakout from this down channel as well. And this was the pattern that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January, when the price line was just entered the buying zone of this very big bullish harmonic reversal Cypher move. And I told my members that we have a very big hidden bullish divergence, as the RSI was forming lower lows and the price line was forming higher lows. And we also had a very nice support of the 100 weekly simple moving average inside the buying zone. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of this pattern, our buying was from $36,101 and goes to $28,805. And remember here, we also have a very strong support as well. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, our sell targets were from $46,339 and goes to $57,167. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that as per the Fibonacci sequence, the price line reversed back, hit the sell targets, moved up to $48,189, and now we are having some correction. And during this move, we have also broken out a very big down channel. And after breaking out this down channel, we were getting rejected again and again by the resistance of this rising wedge pattern as well. And finally, we have broken down the support of the rising wedge. We have retested the previous support as a resistance and confirmed this breakdown, and now we are moving more down. Now, if we take a look at the target for this bigger down channel, that will be here approximately at $68,000. And after this breakdown, if we take a look at the target to the downside of this rising wedge, that is here approximately at $33,000, where we also have the stop loss. If you are trading this channel, this down channel, that can be also the stop loss as well, because this is the recent swing low before the breakout. Now, if we take a look at this red line, that is the EMA 21, and we are getting rejected again and again by this EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart as well. And we have also been rejected by this EMA 21 here on the weekly time frame chart as well. And at the same time, while breaking down this rising wedge pattern, it has also formed another bearish pennant on the same daily time frame chart, and this is the pennant that I was showing you in my last video on the 4-hourly time frame. And I told you that we have a bullish divergence on this daily time frame chart. As you can see that the price line is forming lower than previous low, and if we take a look at the RSI, it is forming higher low than previous low. So there is also a bullish divergence. Therefore, we can expect that the price line will move up and it will make another attempt to break out this resistance of the bearish pennant. And you can see that yesterday we have just rejected. We moved up to $39,139, $53, and we are rejected by this resistance and now again moving down. Remember, this bearish pennant is already considered to be a bullish biased, and there is a probability that we may break out. And if we again take a look at the RSI, it is again forming higher lows. And if we switch to the smaller time frame, like on the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see that price line has also started forming higher lows as well. We have this low, and another low is higher than previous one, and this low is higher than previous one, and price line is also forming higher highs as well. And now here we are having some accumulation. And for example, if price line will form another higher low here, and it will move up, then it can make another attempt to break out this pennant once again. So next few hours are again very important for Bitcoin, and we are also likely to find a support here. We can see that the Bitcoin is bounced here, and bounced here, and once again it can have another bounce from here. And the movement is getting very squeezed. So the time is very close to break out or break down the pennant. In a case of breakdown, we can also test this support of $33,000. That is the support of this at the bottom of this rising wedge pattern, this bigger rising wedge pattern. And in case of breakout, we can hit the target for this bearish pennant that will be here at the top of the pennant, approximately at $48,000. And in that situation, we can also move more up to hit the target for the bigger channel as well. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this move of Bitcoin within this bearish pennant. And if on the smaller time frame, it will form another higher low and go to form another higher high, then it can break out this pennant. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.